Ra, Vi, Ma, Ku, Na. Have you heard these sounds before? Perhaps in a dream, or maybe they appeared in your mind during a meditation. Or perhaps you're hearing them for the first time, yet you feel a familiar vibration deep within your soul. You won't find these mysterious words in any dictionary, because they don't belong to any known language. If these sounds have drawn you here, it's no coincidence. This could be the key to a forgotten language, and the first syllables of a healing code meant to awaken the power within you. If you've searched for these sounds online, you likely found no results. That's because this isn't a language in the way we understand it. It's a frequency, a vibration. In spiritual teachings, this is called light language or soul language. The words have no literal meaning because each syllable carries a specific packet of energy, an intention, and a piece of information. Let's explore the energies these syllables carry. The first syllable, Ra. This sound carries the frequency of the sun, the source, and divine light. It represents creation, power, and purification. The second syllable, Ve. This is the sound of life force, vitality, and flow. It moves stagnant energies and brings life to the body and spirit. The third syllable, Maah. This carries the compassion of the Universal Mother, unconditional love, and nurturing energy. It opens your heart chakra and connects you to the frequency of love. The fourth syllable, Ko. This is the key to ancient wisdom and inner potential. It strengthens intuition and offers a higher perspective. And the final syllable, Ne. This is consciousness and the spirit itself. It aligns us with our core, our true self. When we bring this phrase together, it's not a sentence, but a powerful declaration of intent. It is a call that your soul understands beyond words. I awaken to the consciousness of love and wisdom through the light and life force of the divine source. So, how can we use this powerful frequency in our lives? First, it silences mental noise and reduces stress. These sounds bypass the chattering mind, bringing you back to the present moment, to your center. It also cleanses and protects your energy field. When you feel tired or negative, chanting this mantra clears low-frequency energies from your aura and creates a shield of light that protects you from external influences. This mantra opens your heart center and expands love. Regular use helps you become more loving and compassionate toward yourself and others, thereby healing your relationships. Finally, it strengthens intuition and creativity. It connects you to a higher consciousness, allowing your intuition to become clearer. If you're experiencing a creative block, this mantra helps new ideas and inspiration flow to you. Now, let's talk about how to activate this healing code. Just find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed for 5 minutes. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and calm your body by taking a few deep breaths. Then, begin to chant the mantra, slowly and with feeling. Try to feel the vibration of each syllable in your body. Ra, Ve, Ma, Ko, Na. Find your own rhythm. Even doing this for just 5 minutes a day will create a shift in your life. Ra, Vi, Ma, Ku, Na is much more than a string of words. It is a song your soul has forgotten, a healing whisper from the universe. Its power lies not in its meaning, but in the intention you give it, and in the pure vibration of the sound. I invite you to try an experiment. Use this mantra for just a few minutes every day for 1 week. Observe how you feel and what changes in your life. Share your experiences with us in the comments below. May the light of these ancient sounds illuminate your path.